See Ross, by the way, peering into the chute. That was an interesting look from him. Guess what, everybody? That is one heck of a time to have your first qualified ride of the season. The Thunder making some noise.
Pressure has just been applied to Austin. Hey, that is a jam-up bull ride for Casey Roberts. We've been waiting on this time and time again to get that big finish. 7 seconds, he said, let's cut loose and finish big, and that's what he's been needing to do for Missouri. Great ride, Casey.
I think that's a bull riding version of a golf clap there from Ross Coleman.
A golf clap. Hey, so we knew it was coming. You did it today.